Alright, what's up guys? The intro is going to be a little dark today. I don't have my light mod on top of my camera. And sorry it's dark. You know, time gets dark now since it's getting wintertime in Tennessee. But today's video is kind of interesting. It's just a house I came upon, you know, while exploring other places. We just happened to stop at it and film another video. And it's a pretty interesting house. We found some interesting things inside. So just stay tuned and finish out the video to the end and let me know in the comments down below if this house was interesting to you and if it wasn't interesting and why it was and why it wasn't, because every comment helps. Sorry for the post delay. I'm going to give you guys some updates. One, I'm remodeling a houseboat. Two, restoring a Jeep and fixing some issues. And I work a full-time job. So trying to do all of that plus make videos has kind of like made my upload times a little delayed. But I'm working on getting a set schedule on videos. So that is coming up, so bear with me. But yeah, without, you know, further ado and less talking, here's the video. This place is crazy. This place is really crazy.
Oh, I guess the other door actually is there.
Hey, watch where you step, because the floor is falling through. Yeah,
As you step right there, that thing goes down.
Oh, shit. This place is really crazy, not even gonna lie. That's where the air return was, right there. I think we're intruding. I think that's a dead animal. There's shoes up in the closet. Here's this bathroom. Somebody left some stuff. Really? Says there's a bird's nest.
There's a bird's nest in the little mirror.
I'm not sure what's in that bottle. You wanna look in the fridge?
Probably not. Oh, God.
Oh, look in the door. I don't even want to know what's in the freezer. I see a bag. There's clothes here. Hope you guys can see the floor very well. It's a bit rotted out. This video may be a little fast today, guys, because I think somebody lives in this abandoned house. I'm not entirely sure. God.
At least there's some carriages.
Yeah.
This actually was a nice little house.
Was. There's an attic access.
Is there?
Yes.
I don't think that's a dog.
Guys, there's
Look at
a.
its tail.
This was a baby fox that died in here. Somebody was
I mean, it
honest.
could be a dog, but...
What's in that door? That goes up into the attic, guys. Well, maybe it's not meant to be open, to be honest
Try
with you.
pulling on it. It looks like it opens. Hang on. I don't know about that. I can't open it.
Here's another bedroom. ready to go up in this. It's super dark up in there.
Do you want this?
Really? I don't trust this floor.
Watch where you step.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. But if the floor doesn't look very good, I'm not gonna walk on it, guys. Oh yeah, not walking in there. Holy hell. Ooh, this floor kind of dips down. Alright, let's go back this way. I'm gonna look in this room right here, and then I feel like we should vacate. Oh man. Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below if the audio quality sounds terrible, because I don't have my mic on here.
Didn't. I couldn't find one.
Got it?
Yeah. See the little mousey in the corner?
Yeah. It's not opening.
I don't know what's down there.
That don't go anywhere. I think that's storage for underneath the steps. Could be like a closet.
20.
What about these?
2000. 2010.
I hope to God this isn't asbestos I'm stepping on. Look at this wall though.
I like the wallpaper. That's a calendar in there. I wonder what it says.
Alright guys, this video is probably going to be short. We kind of just discovered this house. Huh?
That one says 2000s.
Well, we kind of just discovered this place driving down the road. And it seems like somebody lives in here and the house is falling through the floor.
What is that?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh shit. It's not coming up, whatever it is.
Oh, okay. Alright. I guess let's get out of here. If anyone asks, we came from the golf course. That's the kitchen area. Not kitchen area, that's the dining room area. Oh, babe. Look.
Oh no, but
I'm not going in there. I go underneath houses enough for my job. Alright guys, if you liked today's video, drop a like and subscribe. But that's it for now guys. Let me know what you think. Drop a like. Always remember to subscribe. And until next video.